learn how to create an effect very easily. We will bring the bottom layer above the video layer. Next we'll go into lumetri color and lower the saturation. When the video turns black and white, we'll move on to the effect controls. Then we'll go to opacity and multiply the blending mode, and it will be darkened too. We can put it this way if we want, or we can do it this way. I will take this 2-layer nest. From there, I will come to the effect control and exclusion opacity. And here is the final result. Watch other video on our channel to learn more. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment box.